Meet Amanda and Angela. Amanda is an experienced 5th grade ELA teacher, and Angela is a middle school principal. They both share a common goal of developing proficient writers who also excel on the high-stakes state assessments. Despite all their efforts during the past school year, the students' performance in the state assessments was underwhelming, resulting in lower school rankings. Upon retrospection, they identified some of the most common challenges to teaching writing. 1. The writing activities assigned to students involved very little extended writing, which isn't adequate for rigorous practice. 2. The teachers aren't able to devote enough time to writing and writing instruction, as they have several responsibilities in addition to teaching, like dedicating hours to formative assessment preparation, grading students' responses, and many more. 3. With the push for differentiated instruction paired with the size of classes and the curriculum's demands, it's an overwhelming task for teachers to precisely identify where students struggle and provide effective remediation. 4. Low student engagement and motivation. And finally, 5. Lack of access to quality teaching materials and resources. Determined to fix these real problems, they began their search for a robust and comprehensive solution. It eventually led them to the Lumos StepUp Writing Program, which proved to be a game changer in their mission of developing skillful writers. It's a state-of-the-art, robust online writing program for K-12 students, developed by expert teachers to support educators and school leaders in developing proficient writers who also excel in state assessments. With its rigorous standards-aligned writing assignments, AI-powered remediation, and actionable writing performance data at their fingertips, it put them in control of enhancing the students' writing skills mastery. Armed with actionable insights, Amanda is now able to deliver targeted instruction to drive meaningful growth. The Lumos StepUp Writing Program has helped make her a bona fide superhero. On the other hand, Angela had an arsenal of student and teacher performance reports firepower at her disposal. She had instant access to detailed, timely, and actionable data across grades. These empowered her to make informed decisions, drive significant school-wide improvement initiatives over the academic year, resulting in remarkable improvement in students' test scores in the state assessment, all thanks to Lumos StepUp Writing Program. She loves that the StepUp Writing Program is not only one of the most advanced writing programs on the planet, but also one of the easiest to use solutions. Let the Lumos StepUp Writing Program help reduce complexity, save educators time, and make differentiated instruction achievable in every classroom. The result is more skillful writers, more productive teachers, high student scores in standardized assessments, and improved school rankings. So, what are you waiting for? Contact Lumos Learning today and find out what a robust online writing program can do for you.